Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming power and safety so the joystick will respond predictably. Once done, set engines to neutral and engage joystick mode. You should see the control light. Make sure bow and stern thrusters report OK and that the helm alarm is silenced. You must brief crew to clear decks and hold lines. Then place your hand on the joystick, look outside, and prepare to translate small deflections into smooth boat movement rather than sudden bursts. You begin moving by nudging the joystick gently. Small inputs give precise translation. Once you need more speed, increase to 1/4 or 1/2 deflection to overcome wind or current. To pivot, push, and twist as directed by your system, this commands opposing thrust for rotation. Keep an eye on drift and heading. If the boat accelerates, ease back to maintain control. Remember that predictable, incremental inputs give smoother motion than sudden large moves. You complete the approach by trimming inputs to micro adjustments and stopping the boat within 1 to 2 boat lengths of your berth. Use short bursts to line up bow and stern, then hold position with slight counter inputs. Once docked, return controls to neutral and secure engines and thrusters. If the joystick becomes unresponsive, immediately switch to manual control or the wheel and assign crew to lines. Troubleshooting tip. Check system fault codes and power cycle. The joystick.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.